Welcome you all to my news channel, that is Sant News. Please note, all these things is my understanding about the news. If you have any opinion, view or comment, please write down in the comment section below. So let's go to the news quickly. Highlight of the news are Isha Foundation related controversy, basically a Vatican agenda, scientific education in Madrasa, treacherous act by Bengal government, and resurgence of Bharat, that is India. Let's see the news in detail. The first one is the Isha Foundation in Tamil Nadu. As we understand, Isha Foundation does many social, religious and spiritual practices, and they teach people about the lifestyle and well-being, and they planned to have one religious center in some place in Tamil Nadu, but the people who is against that thought and philosophy, mainly the Vatican agents, they are creating hurdles and bottlenecks and creating confusion in the mind of people that the land has been occupied illegally, but it has been done everything as per the rule, but they wanted to create a confusion that this organization is creating some doing some illegal activity. So Isha Foundation has clarified everything and also said that this has been done legally. Now they are creating problem, and even the government agency, some of the people supporting them to these troublemakers. So hopefully they will learn the lesson and rule of law will prevail. The other side is, as we know, we can see in our cities, the many of the church are in the heart of the city and they had big land in their occupation. When Britishers were India, so they were ruling our country, their intention was to make and keep us slave, and their one of the tool was to spread the Christianity and make the people slave, keep them make it slave. So what they did, they had given lease, 100-year lease to this many of the churches, so they can do the conversion and they can propagate the British agenda. But now British has gone, the militia has gone, now their agents are working for their cause. Now 100 years of their lease is over, so we expect these churches to return this government public land for the public use. So their lease is over. If they are not returning, then it is expected from the people, government and all the social religious organizations, so they should force these churches to return their land which they are occupying illegally after 100 years of their lease is over. I hope society will work for this thing and vacate all these people from the occupied land. The next news is about the scientific education in Madrasa. In Assam, the government wanted to promote the education for science-based education for all the people. Okay, so government has given a guidelines that all the education institute, whether madrasa, any school or any other place where the government is giving the grant, they should follow the science-based education. What is the benefit of this science-based education? This will add value to the students. Also, this will give the understanding and this will increase the love for the country with the knowing of the Indian heritage and culture and their heritage and their culture, and this will help them to get the job in the market, because if they study based on the science, so there will be high chances of getting job in this job market. As you know, in madrasa basically they get only education about the some book, but that book knowledge is not being used anywhere. So government wanted to promote scientific education in madrasa. Good job done by Assam government. The next news is about the treacherous act of Bengal government. As we know, in West Bengal there is Narda bribery case. So for this case, central government has assigned some investigating agency, and the West Bengal government, that is the elected constitutional authority, creating trouble for this investigation. This is unruly act of the representative of Bengal government. They are creating trouble in arresting the people who involved in this bribery case. So this is a treacherous act, not following the Indian constitutional guidelines. So basically this is same for the Bengal government. Hopefully the situation will improve. The next news is about the Bharat, India and its resurgence. So recently there was ruling from the Supreme Court of India giving the direction to all government agency to use Bharat is the word for the India. So intention is to make our country known as Bharat, not as India. So this is basically resurgence of Bharat. Good ruling by Supreme Court. I hope you would have liked the news. If you wanted to know the details of any of the news, please write below in the comment section. And if you have any feedback, please write there. Please share and subscribe this video to your friends and family. With this, keep smiling.